Good day, everyone. So, my name is Emmanuel Oyoba, better known as Tender. So, in this particular video, I want to talk about Facebook page, the uses, and how to set up your Facebook page. So, firstly, let me talk about Facebook page. It stands and represents your brand on Facebook. So, Facebook page carries your brand name and it represents your brand on Facebook. So that's your social handle on Facebook. That was Facebook page does. So second uses, so it helps to interact with your customer easily with the tools on Facebook. Like, you can make posts, you can receive messages and reply messages, you can they can comment on your post, and all that. So it helps to interact easily with your customer. Third one, you need Facebook page to run ads. So as I said earlier, I already told you need it to run ad. So Facebook setup, this is practical, so I'll be showing you step by step how to set up your Facebook page, how to create ad photo and everything. So let's go. Open your browser. I'm using Chrome. Now go to facebook.com. Facebook, you already see it here. Then press enter. So it's loading. So this is the home page. But if you haven't logged in on this browser, once you get to this facebook.com, you will be, let me just log out for you to see. So once you get to facebook.com, log out. So I want to show you, you'll be taken to the login page. So type in your number and password, then you click on login. Are you with me? So it's loading. So after logging in, so you see that here, click on see all. You see here, you see post, story room, then you see page. So click on it. So this is where you create your page, and this is like a preview of your page. So as you are creating it here, you'll be seeing the preview here. So maybe I will create a tutorial how to use your phone, using the mobile app, or let's just finish this first. So type in your name, so that represents your brand. So page name, the name you want to give to your page. So Tender Arena. Now category, as you can see, it is required. So category, you can decide to search for the kind of category here. So let's search for something like product. You see, producer, professional. So you can just start to anything. So I'll be choosing product/service. Yeah. Now VIO, it is optional, so you might decide to, okay, let me go for it. Okay, I won't go for it, but it is optional. So you can just be like best hub, something like that. I just enter anything and anything. So then you click on create page. So it's loading. You can see you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. Wow. Now once you receive this kind of message, the only thing you can do, so I won't remove this video because I want you to learn from it. In case you come across something like this, all you need to do is change your browsing network. Yes, change your network. Alright, so let's see if it's worked this time. I just changed my network. Okay, loading. Poor network too. So it seems you already managed a PM named. So let me put another name. PM. Let's see. Enter. Bad network too. Okay, so let's click it and see. So it is loading. Poor network. Okay, so it is created. Now you have to fill in some details here. Now if you have a website, put it here. Your phone number, put it here. Email, put it here. I'll be entering all this information. Okay, let's see. My phone number. Okay, as you can see, you have to add the country code. I think it will be good like this. Yes, you see, add your country code, then Gmail address too. So you enter your Gmail address, gmail.com. Okay, think we're good. Then your address, enter your address in full. City or town. City or town, let me just put Oyo. So you have to put your town. You see here. Now your ship code. I don't know if I can skip it, bro. You can put it. So let people. So you can put always open here. Then you click on next. So you have to add provide picture here and cover photo. So click on it. I think my network just got disconnected. Let's reconnect. Okay, so you can just check for your any piece you want to use, add it, provide piece also. Once you're done, let me just add one random piece there, so it will serve like an example too. So document, what do I have here? Okay, let's just put something. So it's loading. So this is how it will load. Okay, so you can just click on next. So you can check the preview here, as you can see, and you can also check for mobile preview. You see, click here, you can see my mouse, click here. So this is the mobile preview, this is the desktop preview. So you also need to like add your WhatsApp number. So this is like a connection to within between your Facebook page and WhatsApp. So you have to enter your WhatsApp number here, and they will send an OTP code for you to confirm it. So with this, people can message you from Facebook, and it will also help you when you are running like messages ad. So you know 0. So let's see. Then click on get code. So it has been sent. Note that you will receive it in your WhatsApp. So this is it. You will receive it like a message, in form of message, in your WhatsApp. So let me just type in the code for, then you click on confirm. So you see it is connected now. You can click on next, previous. So you can invite friend here. This is what you do, you invite friend, but I'm not gonna do that. But let's just try. Just click on invite. Then you can click on selector, then invite. On selector here, you can select individually, then you click on invite. So it is sent. So next, so don't change anything here, then click on done. So you are done creating your Facebook page. So this will be the end of the video, and thanks for watching. So you can just scroll and your page here, and see everything. So thanks for watching once again.